Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am going to show you Sabudana with chicken chili fry. So we need tapioca pearls or sago, or you can say sabudana, and we need some chicken chili fry. So let's start. So now I will steam this in a double boiler. Okay. So this is getting double boil and steaming it, and I will cover this and steam it for maybe 5 minutes. So here it is, it's nicely steamed, it is cooked. Now let's add our chicken chili fry into this. I'll show you. So I took half teaspoon of oil in this, and now we will add our steamed or sago or sabudana. It's so hot. So these are the steam one. You can make direct, but it's better you steam it. So it will, you can say it is like Sabudana chicken or Sabudana pulao, whatever you want to say. You can say to this, and we add some flavors to this now. Try this. I had made chili fry in this, so that's why I will share you the recipe of my chicken chili fry in this video in the description box. Please see that you see this. And now we will add to this some salt. Some salt, and I will add some mixed herb to this. And let's mix this nicely. And we'll add our cooked chicken chili fry in this. And mix all well. Sabudana chicken is ready. It looks very nice. It's tasty also. So enjoy your, it's done actually, it's cooked because I had steamed this earlier. So it's nicely cooked and all ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching this, and it's very tasty. So here it is, I will taste and tell you. It's hot. Sago or sabudana with chicken taste very nice. Hope you all enjoyed this way. Thank you.